Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. On Instagram, at the top right corner, hit add DMS icon to bring up your conversations list. And since the new Instagram update, Instagram notes are shown right here towards the top of the screen. As you can see right there, I got a note from my another account. So, let me show you how you can easily mute the notes from that account. All you have to do in that case is just hold down on the profile picture and among these options select Mute Notes. Now, it asks if I really want to mute notes from that user. And also, it says that you can unmute them from their profile. Instagram won't let them know you muted their notes. If you wish to mute the notes, just hit right here to mute notes. That's it now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.